Title: Artificial Intelligence at the Next Level. The Most Advanced Neural Networks. Introduction: Artificial intelligence AI is on an extraordinary journey of evolution, and at the forefront of this transformation are advanced neural networks. These neural networks, inspired by the human brain, have reached unprecedented levels of complexity and capability, propelling AI into uncharted territory. In this article, we will explore the most advanced neural networks that are shaping the future of AI, the power of advanced neural networks. Advanced neural networks are a culmination of decades of research and innovation. They are designed to mimic the human brain's neural structure, comprising interconnected layers of artificial neurons. These networks can process vast amounts of data, learn from it, and make complex decisions with remarkable accuracy. Here are some of the most cutting-edge developments in advanced neural networks. Transformers. Transformers have emerged as one of the most powerful architectures in AI. They excel in natural language processing (NLP) tasks and have given rise to models like BERT and GPT. Transformers use attention mechanisms to capture context and relationships between words, enabling more contextually relevant responses and document summarization. Capsule networks. CapsNets. Capsule networks, introduced by Geoffrey Hinton, represent a paradigm shift in computer vision. They excel at recognizing complex hierarchical patterns and spatial relationships, making them ideal for tasks like object recognition and image segmentation. Graph neural networks, GNNs. GNNs are tailored for data structured as graphs, such as social networks, recommendation systems, and molecular modeling. They have revolutionized graph-based machine learning by allowing AI to understand and analyze complex relationships within interconnected data. Reinforcement learning. Advanced neural networks have made significant contributions to reinforcement learning, enabling AI to excel in tasks ranging from autonomous robotics to video gameplay. Models like AlphaZero have demonstrated superhuman capabilities in complex board games like chess and Go. Applications of advanced neural networks. The impact of advanced neural networks extends across various industries and domains. Healthcare. Advanced neural networks are employed in medical image analysis, drug discovery, and personalized treatment recommendations. They assist doctors in diagnosing diseases from medical images with unprecedented accuracy. Finance. In the financial sector, these networks are used for fraud detection, algorithmic trading, and risk assessment. They can process vast datasets in real time, making them invaluable for decision-making. Autonomous systems. Advanced neural networks are the backbone of autonomous vehicles, enabling them to perceive the environment, make decisions, and navigate safely. These networks are crucial for the future of self-driving cars. Natural language processing. NLP models powered by advanced neural networks are behind chatbots, virtual assistants, and machine translation services. They are transforming the way we interact with technology and bridging language barriers. Challenges and ethical considerations. While advanced neural networks hold immense promise, they also pose challenges and ethical considerations. Data privacy. The use of AI, particularly in NLP and image recognition, raises concerns about data privacy and surveillance. Striking a balance between innovation and privacy is essential. Bias and fairness. Biases in training data can lead to biased AI systems, perpetuating social inequalities. Ensuring fairness and transparency in AI decision-making is an ongoing challenge. Regulation. As AI continues to advance, there is a growing need for regulations and ethical guidelines to govern its use, particularly in sensitive domains like healthcare and finance. Conclusion. Artificial intelligence, driven by advanced neural networks, is pushing the boundaries of what was once thought possible. These networks are transforming industries, improving our daily lives, and revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. However, with great power comes great responsibility, and addressing the ethical and regulatory challenges is crucial to ensure that AI serves humanity's best interests. As we enter this new era of AI, the future is bright, promising groundbreaking innovations that will reshape our world in ways we can only begin to imagine.